Hey everyone, what's happening? If you're new to the channel, please take a second to hit the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Hey everyone, what's happening? This is going to be part 2 of the off-grid bushcraft shelter build. If you haven't already watched part 1, you probably want to go back and watch that video first before continuing with this one. It's Friday evening here again, and we're just getting into camp after work. So we have a few hours of daylight here yet tonight, and then we'll have all day Saturday to work on the shelter. Well, it looks like we had a bear invasion or something here. If you remember from the last video, we had some mulch that we were going to use once the shelter's done. It looks like one of the bags is torn open and looks like it's even carried off. Found the bag about 40 yards away. So definitely must have been a bear because nothing else would be able to carry it that far. So I'll give you a walk around here of how we left it from last time. These leaves all dried up now. Here you can see where the mulch leads right out the door. The other bag that was tore open, I went ahead and spread it out a while. So next we'll get sheeting these sidewalls and the other side of the roof with the house wrap. Here we have this side of the roof almost sheeted in. And we finished sheeting in the top side of the end wall over there. And that wraps under about a foot onto the ground, so the mulch is actually up over, so it's sealed pretty well. Something could still dig under, but it's a lot better than just running the house wrap to the ground. It'll actually wrap a foot in. Here we got the door on. And we got the top side of the back end wall finished back there. Just got to finish the lower side of the end wall in the back there, and also there a little bit in the front beside the door. Other than that, all the sheeting will be up, but we're losing daylight for today, so it's time to get a fire started and make supper. Alright, it's Saturday morning here, and we got some more work done here and started spreading out some more of the mulch. We got the lower side of this end wall completely done, and the mulch all in there. All we got left is the lower side here beside the front door, which which is just a small piece, so we'll get that in and the rest of the mulch spread out. Alright, so we have all the house wrap up now, so I'll give you a walk around and show you what it looks like with everything done so far up to this point. We'll fill in this roof more with leaves later this fall once they come down. Cover it all up so you can't see any of the paper. There you can see the door, nice little mulch out around the front there. And like I said, all the paper on the sides wraps at least a foot underneath the mulch, so it seals up the sidewalls pretty good, keeps stuff from being able to get in. And again, if you didn't watch the part 1 of this video, the shelter's 12 feet deep and 16 feet wide. And it's over 8 foot high to the ridge pole in the center. We need to get a few more branches and leaves from on this side here yet. Like I said, some of that will wait till the fall when all the leaves come off the trees, and then we'll put a nice thick layer on both sides. There's Missy. Alright guys, it's Saturday evening here and we have most of our stuff packed up. So all I have left to do yet on this trip is I'm going to use some olive camo spray paint I picked up at Walmart, and I'm going to camouflage these end walls so they don't stick out so much. The white house wrap really stands out in the middle of the woods like this, so I'm going to use some olive paint and make it blend in a lot better. Got the door painted here with that olive paint already. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's really sealed up good. We'll have to see how long it lasts and holds up. The biggest thing will be getting that roof covered up as soon as possible to keep the UV rays off of the plastic. But so far it looks pretty good and it's really sealed up well. I'm surprised. Put a latch here on the door so we can lock it up. Here you can see what it looks like with the end walls camouflaged in with that olive paint. Made a huge difference. Alright, it's time to start the 5-mile trip out of here. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to turn on the bell notification. That way when I release these videos, you'll be notified. Up next on the agenda will probably be a 4x8 woodshed / outhouse, with 4 feet at one end being the outhouse and the other 4 feet being a woodshed. And also we might build a bed platform to put the air mattress on to keep it up off the ground. So stay tuned. I'm sure there's many more videos to come. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to keep these videos coming. You can also follow me on Facebook. The link is in the description below.